Hi friends, I present my today's sessions. My today's sessions topic is GST, Goods and Service Tax. Please watch my video completely. Before discussing GST, firstly I discuss what is tax. Tax is an amount of money that requires for government, and that amount of money paid by people according to their income and value of property, etc. Next, type of tax. Tax is mainly two types: direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax, which type of tax that pay by people directly, and excellent example of direct tax is income tax, others wealth tax, corporate tax, etc. Second type of tax is indirect tax. That type of tax pay by people indirectly to government. Example: sale tax, service tax, value added tax, and most important, GST, goods and service tax. Definition of GST. GST is an tax levied on goods and services sold for domestic consumption. GST Act passed in the Parliament on 29 March 2017 and came into force in India on 1st July 2017. Next, type of GST. Mainly four type of GST belongs in India: IGST, SGST, CGST, and UGST. IGST full from Integrated Goods and Service Tax. SGST full from State Goods and Service Tax. CGST full from Central Goods and Service Tax. UGST full from Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. Next, online are important data from GST. GST implemented first in France. Indian GST is Canadian model of GST, dual GST. Assam is the first state to implemented the GST. Chairman of GST Council presently Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Ambassador of GST Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan. GST include Indian Constitution Article 279A and GST Council's member is 31. So those are the most important data from tax and GST. So please like, share, subscribe my video. If create video related any issue, please comment my comment section. So end my video.